Hello there guys and welcome to week number 3 of the Red Nose Day 2022 blind box unboxings. I have a box, let's crack into it. We're not even going to bother with all the nonsense. So far we've had 4 Roccos, a Dash, 2 Lucky, we've had 5 Roccos. You did not see my hand there at all. We've had 5 Roccos, a Flow, a Dash, 2 Luckies, and a Sky. I am looking for a cam, but I'm also looking for some of the ones that we haven't had yet, which actually is only Dot. We actually haven't had Dot yet. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am losing my mind. I don't know. Anyway, let's crack into it. We'll grab 2 from there. We'll go underneath. We'll grab 2 from underneath. And we'll grab a random one as well. And I'm just going to fill in the bottoms. There we go. So, let's have a look at these, shall we? So again, we have 5 boxes to go for. I have my trusty knife here. If you are opening these with knives, I should have said these in the previous videos. Please be careful. I do not want to hear any of you having accidents with knives. If you are underage, and please get an adult supervision. Anyway, should we crack into these boxes? I think we shall. So, box number 1 for this week is going to be... we have Lucky! I won't go through all of the kind of like the backstories, only when I actually get them open. And also when we see them for the first time. Nose number 2 for this week. We have got... oh, look at it. We have Sky the Giraffe. Fantastic news. The side of my camera is already getting bad. Box number 3. Let me know if you guys actually prefer me going through these rapidly. We have Dash. Ironic because he is a sloth. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoy these quick videos where they literally only take about 5 minutes or so, or if you like the more long-form videos, such as the one where I showed you my Red Nose Day collection, which will be linked in the description down below. Number 4 for this week, we have a new one. We have Dot. There's no stopping Dot, who can often be spotted racing Dash. You can guess who usually wins. Well, yeah, because Dash is a sloth. And Dot is a cheetah. So far so good for this week. We've had no duplicates. In this one video anyway. Let's see if that trend continues. Will we get Cam this week? If we can, that would be quite cool. Let's see. Okay, it's not Cam, but it's Lucky again. So, we almost made it through a whole video without any duplicates, but then Lucky had to come and ruin it. Anyway. Those are these noses for this week. I'm going to crack straight on and I'm going to do the rest of the videos. I need to find a way on how to install these because at the moment, they're not really getting much room. And then this side, that's slowly piling up. Anyway, I will sort that out off camera and I will cut this here. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed, then hit that like button, get subscribed, ring the notification bell to be notified when the next video goes live. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.